Upselling 101. Now this is going to be a full example, just a quick example, just to demonstrate how you're going to put all of these factors and all of these steps together so you could actually have a good and very strong presentation. Now we're going to start with the whole concept of introducing the packages, the 10,000, planting the seed, and then we'll move on to upselling. So Mr. Customer, I actually have great news for you. Now we're almost done, don't worry. Matter of fact, I just got notified by the insurance company that they actually want to offer an additional package for free. Let me explain exactly how that works. Now, just so you can know, you're leaving with basic liability. Now, there's a package that you're qualifying basically based on your driving record. This is more of a VIP package. Matter of fact, 90% of the customers don't qualify for this, only 10%. So you should feel lucky and excited. And this is a way where you actually get compensated for and rewarded for having a clean record. So if you ever thought, what do I get for having a clean record? Now you're actually qualifying for a package that's worth a good $5,000, and it's actually being offered for you almost for free. Let me explain exactly how that works. Now you're leaving with 15, 30, and 5, which is a basic liability. Now the insurance company wants to add two additional coverages for almost for free, and let me explain exactly how that works. Now they want to offer $10,000 instead of the $5,000. So let me explain exactly how that works. Now just imagine you're leaving the parking lot and you hit a vehicle and you make a total amount of damages of $8,000. Your policy is going to offer $5,000. So that means you're going to be responsible for $3,000 out of pocket. Now, once again, the damages are $8,000. Your limits are $5,000. So that means $3,000 are going to come from you. They're going to be out of your pocket. Now, the insurance company wants to offer $10,000 instead of the $5,000. So just in case you make damages of $8,000, the $10,000 will cover the full claim. Technically, they're going to cover the total amount for damages. So that means you wouldn't have to pay $1 out of pocket, which is fantastic, right? So this is the first coverage that they want to offer. Now the second coverage, it's actually a roadside service package. Now let me explain exactly how that works. Now this roadside package is going to be included within your policy. So just in case, if you ever need towing, now they're going to offer up to 15 miles for towing. This is worth a good $500 for towing services. They're also going to offer locksmith, tire replacement, battery replacement, gas replacement. Okay, everything is included, just so you can know, for tire, gas, and for battery replacement, and even for the locksmith. Those are 4 services. Each one is worth a good $150. Keep in mind, someone's going to drive to your location to actually help you. So therefore, there's a cost for that. So each service is worth a good $150 plus the $500 for towing. You have over $1,000 worth of coverage within that roadside package, plus the $5,000. That's over $5,000 worth of benefits. Now let me share exactly how that works. Now your monthly payment is $70 a month, and you're paying $220 today. Now let me share exactly how that works, and you're gonna love this. Matter of fact, this is gonna be the best news all day. Now the difference for these additional 2 coverages, for the additional roadside and the $5,000, the insurance company is offering an additional 15 cents. So how does that sound? That sounds pretty fantastic, right? So for an additional 15 cents, you have $10,000 instead of the 5, an additional $5,000, and also the roadside service. Would you be interested? For an additional 15 cents. Now let me just help you. Just in case, if you feel that the 15 cents is going to be too much and is going to leave you broke, and matter of fact, you're not going to be able to afford 15 cents, we could actually walk through the parking lot once a month and we'll be able to find those 15 cents. Matter of fact, yesterday I was walking to my car and I found $5 right under the tire. It's like someone left the $5 for me. So I could guarantee you that anybody will be able to find those 15 cents any day, every day, anywhere. Simply because is not a lot of money. Matter of fact, the funny part is sometimes we go to the store, they give us change and we leave the change. We donate the change. Now, just don't donate it. Keep those additional 15 cents. So how does this sound? Does it sound pretty good? Keep in mind, this is like a VIP package. No one qualifies for these coverages. Matter of fact, anyone that wants the $10,000 in the roadside is paying at least an additional $15, $20 more every single month. In your case, you're getting it for 15 cents a day. A month. How does that sound? Would you be interested in investing 15 cents every single month? So for an additional 15 cents, you're leaving with $10,000 and the roadside. What do you say? How does it sound? Can you afford it? Are you going to be broke if you invest 15 cents a month? So this would be part one. You educated the customer on the packages, the benefits. You added value based on the cost of the insurance and the value of the package. And you also introduced the $10,000, the roadside, for an additional 15 cents, and you emphasized how easy it is to actually go out there and find those 15 cents. So at this point, you've already planted the seed. Now you're ready to introduce a difference for the initial payment, and this is where you're going to use all the justifying factors to close the deal. So now you're going to tell them, look, sir, now we're almost done. So look, that's great news, 15 cents a month. I love it. Matter of fact, I haven't really found any options like this, like the option that I'm giving you for the last couple of weeks. So you're a lucky guy. You're lucky. Now, the only difference is that the insurance company is actually requesting an additional $45. Now, even though I did say that it's almost for free because you're getting an additional $5,000, $6,000 worth of value of coverages for an additional 15 cents and also for $45 on today's payment. Now, let me share an option with you. Let me tell you how I could help you. Now, these additional $45, I could actually give you 10 days. You don't need to pay them today. Matter of fact, the $220 that you just paid, that's more than enough. Now, I'll give you 10 days for the $45. You're going to make an additional 50 cents a month. Once again, don't forget, don't donate your money and walk through a parking lot for a couple minutes. You'll find those 15 cents. What do you say? At this point, they're either going to tell you yes. If they say yes, you don't need to use all the justifying factors. Just get the paperwork out of the way. Now, if they give you an objection or they reject the offer, then you're going to start using all these justifying factors. So let's just assume that they say no. You're going to tell them that's fine. It's perfectly fine. I could actually just go ahead and process the paperwork. I'll leave you with the $5,000. But let me just share something with you. Just out of curiosity, if you had an option of choosing investing those $45 or paying $3,000 out of pocket, which one would you choose? Matter of fact, just out of curiosity, do you have an additional $3,000 in your bank account for car insurance or for accidents, matter of fact? Probably not, right? I don't. And if you do, I could guarantee you that you would rather use those $3,000 for vacation, for your family, for your kids, or even for yourself. You know what's insane, and it really upsets me sometimes, that we sacrifice a lot of things that we want for ourselves because we have other bills, because we have other commitments. But then again, we lose money by not making